Home is where the heart is.
The position is like this. The position of the Anti-Corruption Commission when it comes to political funding is very clear. When the political parties are receiving public funds, I expect that they account for the public funds that they receive. Presently, there is a need for a legal framework providing for the proportional allocation of public funds to this political party represented in parliament, and also obliging the political parties at the end of the day to give a report as to how this money has been spent. The legislation needs to give power to the Auditor General to be able to audit the books of political parties who have received public fundings. That should not be negotiable at all, because as you know very well that other public institutions that receive public funding, they are obliged by law to give financial reports as to how they spend their money. So the same should apply to political parties. When they are receiving public funds, they should be able to report as well how that public funds has been spent.
Base FM, your home station.